unless we go and sit in the Prime Minister's office for 4 to 5 months and take follow-up action on our paper and get proposals recommended from CPFC through Labor Ministry and Finance Ministry, and it has to come to Prime Minister's office, then only we can get the things done. Otherwise, nothing will happen. So for this, we should keep having our unity, and all EPS pensioners should join together of all the organizations, maintain the same sort of tempo in maintaining the unity and power rather. Coming to the other thing is, only when we survive, we can receive pension. When we do not survive, we cannot receive the pension. No, survival is the important, object of our life now. So how to survive in this pandemic? I too had corona positive during December. What are the efforts that I took? That is something different. And all these things will be explained by a doctor. And I really thank this Apple team for arranging a doctor to clarify all these things. So friends, and we are going to have a special session for EPS Salon. I am going to arrange just on the request of Mr. Ramakant and Mr. Manjunath today. This Zoom meeting is arranged as pensioners. Thank you, sir, once again for taking the lead of this thing. You know pretty well that more than 1 lakh people are, affecting in the south per day due to this pandemic, and death rate is abnormal. Even yesterday, there are more than 4,000 people have died in the nation rather. So in these days, one has to stay in the house only or within the limits of their house, and you should explore all possibilities to help your teammates or neighbors by, if not going into the streets rather, or sitting at your home, you should help the other people who are suffering with corona or who need any sort of. So whoever can do it, please take lead to help them. Coming to other point, NAC has given a call for nationwide fasting on 1st June. Really, all the pensioners and all the leaders are requested to kindly accept this proposal and stay in their house in the interest of, in the interest of pensioners, and pay our condolences to our friends who have left us, who have left the world, rather all EPS pensioners, condolences to all EPS pensioners. So that's all from my side. Thank you, Mr. Ramakant sir and Mr. Manjunath sir, for giving me an opportunity. I think already 2 minutes are over. Doctor might be on the line. So over to Ramakant sir. Thank you all friends sir for joining me. Thank you.
Hello.
Yes, Ramakant, please. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Dr. Prashant is there? Come.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Very good, very good. On behalf of this particular Apple NAC activity, I welcome Dr. Prashant, sir. Before taking up the Prashant, sir, I want to introduce about Dr. Prashant. Dr. Prashant has done his MBBS and MS from Bangalore Institute of Bangalore Medical College, and he specialized in endoscopic sinus and skull-based surgeon. One of the beautiest part of the doctor is, after having all these degrees, he has done his MBA from Indian Institute of Management. He's a highly versatile and highly intelligent person. He is coordinating with us all the activities. He is a consultant in a VGC hospital as a surgeon, and is a cluster in charge of the Bangalore INO Center, and he is in charge of NSRCL IIMMB. And this doctor has got a vast experience. Along with this doctor, we are conducting a lot of camps, not only in district level, taluka level, village level, different welfare association, and so on and so forth. The beautiful knowledge, and he is a multilingual man. Everyone need not worry about that. You can ask in any languages. He can answer you, and he will make see that each one of you will be aware how best we can face the corona and solve the issue. Now, I welcome Dr. Prashant, sir, and hand out to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for I'm humbled to the introduction. And so the basic thing about corona, So should it be in English or Kannada or any language in particular?
You mix up Kannada, English, Hindi, Telugu, everything. Every mix up
So
is here.
maybe I'll do that. So I'll maintain English, and as and when
Yeah.
anyone asks any question, I'll answer it in that language. Is that okay?
Fine.
Good, sir. Okay, good.
Okay, sir. Carry on.
Yeah.
Carry on.
So
And
so the
Prasad
main-
Reddy, sir, Prasad Reddy is our zonal secretary. He is the chief of this particular organization.
Oh, nice to know that, sir. So COVID is something which is there everywhere, and everyone is very much tensed about it, and they need to know what is exactly happening. If anyone has got tested positive, the first thing which they do is, oh shit, should I go and search for a hospital bed? What do I do? That is not the first thing which they have to do. The first thing they have to do is just contact a doctor, ask them what needs to be done next. The first thing which actually has to be done is, first and foremost, identify the symptoms. If there is any fever, if there is any sore throat, if there is any body pain. Main problem, most of them are presenting nowadays with severe body pain and fatigue. So they need to identify that as one of the most common symptom of COVID, and they need to reach out to a doctor at the earliest. So if they don't do that, they will be losing precious amount of time waiting for the RT-PCR report. Nowadays, the RT-PCR reports are coming very, very late. Even in a private lab, it is taking more than 4 days to come. So in that 4 days, we will be actually missing out on treating the patient at an earlier stage, because of which we will be starting treatment of a patient in day 6, day 7, day 8. Day 5 to day 10 is the very crucial period, critical period, where patients are going in for severe complications. So my only kind advice to everyone here, whoever is attending, kindly understand that you need to diagnose or contact a physician early, or any doctor for that matter, early, and ensure that you know that you are getting the right treatment even before you get tested for RT-PCR.
Please,
Hello.
please unmute. Please unmute all of you. Sorry, mute yourself. Please mute yourself.
Yeah, thank you. So the main thing what you have to do is, we have to be proactive in addressing COVID, and everyone has to wear a mask. That is the most important thing. Especially if you are in an apartment complex, ideally it's better advised to wear a mask even indoor. The reason behind that is, COVID is now, it is spreading via the air. It's no more close distance, 6 feet distance. Social distancing is not helping anymore, because it is spreading to people even beyond.
I request everybody to please mute. It is disturbing
Manjunath,
everyone.
sir.
Yes.
Manjunath, sir. Please
Yeah.
mute the person from whom you are getting voice
That is-
disturbance. Rather.
yeah,
Please
yeah.
mute yourself. You have the
Yeah,
permission there. You know.
Yeah, I am
Please go
trying.
ahead.
Yeah, I am trying. And what happens? They
Okay.
unmute suddenly.
Yeah. You see on the right. Yeah, on the right side of the this.
Correct.
thing,
No,
you
I am
find
doing
all the
it. I
people,
am doing it. What
whether
happened?
it has been muted. Very good, sir. Very good. Very good. Don't hesitate to mute. You mute it. Nothing to worry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why it's advisable, especially for people in apartment complexes, to wear a mask even indoors, especially if they have a COVID case in the apartment complex. It's very, very, very essential to mask properly. So when I say a mask, kindly don't wear a mask above your forehead, below your nose, below your mouth, on the chin, on the neck. No, wear a mask properly, which covers the nose and the mouth properly. It should be covering the upper part of the nose properly, and it should be also covering the lower chin. That is what is a proper mask, and it should be tightly fitting such that you are breathing through the mask and not from the sides of the mask. Because again, that whole aspect of protection is lost if you're wearing a loose fitting mask, because you'll be breathing from the sides, and that's where the virus is going to end. in. And for people are getting infected at vaccination centers, so kindly ensure that you wait your turn and go to a vaccination center which is not crowded. Yeah, am I audible now?
Yeah, you are audible. You are audible, sir.
Yeah, I think it got muted suddenly, so I didn't notice that. So ensure that you don't go to a vaccination center which is overly crowded. Unfortunately, nowadays, a lot of COVID vaccination centers are overly crowded. So even if it has opened up for 18 to 14 days, 45 years, don't push your children or relatives to go get vaccinated right now. Ask them to wait their turn. There is actually a shortage of vaccines, unfortunately, as of now. But in 2 weeks' time, there will be more amount of supply of vaccinations, and more vaccination centers will be opening up. So people are unnecessarily going and going to crowded places and getting infected. So kindly ensure that you don't push your relatives or advise them not to unnecessarily go to a crowded center and get infected, because in a crowded center, unfortunately, there's absolutely no social distancing which is happening whatsoever. So I think it's high time that we open up the mics for everyone to ask questions one by one. Preferably raise your hand so that we can unmute them and we can take it forward.
Yeah, you can, whoever wants to ask question, please unmute
Dr.
and start
Prashant,
asking question.
Dr.
Yes.
Prashant, before that, this
Yes,
is the
sir.
particular group. This is retired from services, and they are sitting in the house, and they are
Okay.
unable to go out also. This particular
Okay.
group are the leaders from the different states and the different communities. And
Okay.
my request is to what best not only taking care of themselves, what best they
Yeah.
can contribute to saving others also. That will be a more helpful, my suggestion. You can use more of Telugu, Kannada, and other things also. It will be a more help.
Okay. So I'll start off with Telugu, Kannada. So
Continue in English.
Janagalu
Continue in
Mane
English. Sir,
What?
continue in English. Continue in English.
Okay.
Continue in English?
You need
Okay.
not repeat in different languages.
Okay. Okay.
Please.
Okay, thank you. That reduced my talking time. So people have to be indoors. But that being said, it doesn't mean that you have to just be sitting idle. You have to move around, do yogasana, do your breathing exercises. Ensure that you are exposing yourself to the sun. You can just go to your rooftop or your balcony if you're in an apartment. Expose yourself to the sun every day for at least minimum of 15 to 20 minutes. It is very, very essential because vitamin D deficiency is occurring at a very rapid pace, and vitamin D deficiency is something which vitamin D is basically essential for people to notice, and it is basically important for the bones to be stronger. And as people are aging, there is something called as osteoporosis. That means the bone is getting weaker. So people will have issues of, if at all by chance they fall down, they will end up with a fracture. And during this COVID times, it's not very good idea to get a fracture and go to a hospital, because no matter what has happened, even if you're vaccinated, there is definitely a risk of infection. Vaccination, this is another important point. Vaccination doesn't reduce the risk of infection. It will only reduce the risk of
Doctor.
Yeah.
Reddy.
Yes.
Doctor.
Redmi N4.
प्लीज म्यूट कर लो, बाद में बात करो, जब भी आपको बात करना चाहिए तभी बात करो, तब तक आप म्यूट कर लो. ओके.
Hello.
Okay.
Redmi and Vayansi, please.
Okay. So,
Namaste. Sir,
yeah.
namaste.
Yeah.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
I am from Karnataka.
Ha, ಹೇಳಿ.
Hello.
ಹೇಳಿ
I am from Karnataka.
ಹರಿ.
ಕೇಳಿದ್ಯಾ ಸರ್?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಹಲೋ.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಈಗ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಬಂದಲ್ಲ, ಕೊರೋನಾದ ಸಾಯೋರಿಗಿಂತಲೂ ಈ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ಹೆದರಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಸಾಯರ್ ಬೇಟಾರ್. ಹಲೋ. ಹಲೋ.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಹಾವು ವಿಷದಿಂದ ಸಾಯರ್ಗಿಂತಲೂ ಗಾಬದಿಂದ ಸಾಯರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕೊರೋನಾದಿಂದ ಸಾಯರ್ಗಿಂತಲೂ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಗಳು ಏನ್ ಬಿತ್ತರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದಾವಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ ಸಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆದವ್ರ ಕಂಡ ಒಂದು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮನುಷ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಗಾಬರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಕೊಲ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಸರ್. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಹರಿ ಅಂತ, ಹಿಪ್ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಷಿಯನ್ ಇನ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಹರಿ ಅವರೇ. ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ 100% ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೀವೇನೇನ್ ಹೇಳಿದಿರೋ 100% ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಜನಗಳು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಗಾಬರಿ ಪಟ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಪಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಜನಗಳು ದೇಹ ಮನಸ್ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವೇನ್ ಹೇಳಿದಿರೋ ಅದು ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
Manjunath avare, others are getting disturbed. Please remove them from the meeting. Yes.
Correct.
When they are irresponsible, not necessary to take care of them.
Yes.
Carry on, sir.
ಮಂಜು, EMI N4 ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡು.
Okay.
ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು
Hello.
So, yes. Ansi. ಹೇಳಿ.
ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು.
ಹೇಳಿ.
ಈ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ತಜ್ಞರೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ? ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪರಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಮೊದಲೇ ಅವ್ರು ಕಂಡು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು? ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲಸಿಕೆ ಆ ಊರಿಂದ ಈ ಊರಿಂದ ತಂದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಣ ತೆಗಿತಾ ಇದಾರೆ? ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಯಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಉತ್ತರ ಇದೆ? ಯಾರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? ಯಾರ್ಯಾರ ಮನೇಲಿ ದುಡಿತಾರೋ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಮನೇಲಿ. ಆ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗೋದು?
ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಅನ್ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ಲಿ ಇದು ವೈರಸ್.
ಪಾಲ್ ಅವರೇ, ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಪಾಲ್ ಸರ್, ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್.
ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್. ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್.
ಒಂದು ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿರೋದು, ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು, ಮಾಡೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್, government support, government activities cannot be discussed here. We have no power to control the government of India or God. So within our limits, what to do, what not to do, how to escape from this pandemic is the discussion of the day. Okay?
Hello.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello,
so one way what we can
Hello,
do
sir.
is now we have to ensure that we are responsible.
Hello,
as public, as social responsibility, we should be responsible. We
Hello,
can't
sir.
ask the government to take each and every person across the country. You have to understand this country is the most largest populated, densely populated country in the world.
Good morning. Good morning, sir.
We have to ensure that
Sir, one question.
Let me answer this, then I'll take a question, please. If 521, can you, Manjunath sir, can you mute them, please?
Yeah.
1 minute.
Yes. What is that number?
F521EA43.
One question, sir.
1 second, sir.
Yeah,
one second.
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಷಯ,
It's not there.
ಆಯುರ್ವೇದಿಕ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು? ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಂತಲ್ಲ.
Will be answered afterwards. Doctor is explaining things. Be patient. Have patience to listen to him first. Thank you. Please mute your voices.
Right.
Yeah, so this is basically the public has to have no, we should have responsibility, social responsibility. Before the virus has definitely mutated, government has been telling that it is we have not there is a risk, kindly wear masks. Who has worn mask unfortunately across India? We leave Bangalore, and once we step out of Bangalore, everyone is not, no one is wearing a mask. They're just walking as if there's nothing happening, even right now, even during this pandemic. So we need to have our own responsibility of educating people across, whoever is not wearing a mask properly. So it's our imperative duty to tell, okay, we have our own responsibility to help out the no, help the public out, have the social responsibility in ourselves to wear a mask and have social distancing. One simple thing which I'm always for is the SMS campaign. What is the SMS campaign? Social distancing, masking, and sanity. People need to be wearing, ensuring that there's good social distancing. People need to ensure that they are wearing masks. People need to ensure that they are sane. Kindly stop blaming and creating more negativity across. And to the second point of Ayurveda, all Ayush treatments other than allopathy are good, but are good only before someone gets a COVID and once they're actually affected by COVID, because we need allopathic medicines to control and reduce the death rate. Ayush treatment, Ayush medicines, which include homeopathy, Siddha, all those things are useful for people to improve their nutrition and improve their immunity and improve their well-being overall. It is not useful for treating COVID, unfortunately.
One question, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
See, nowadays, because of in our, I'm speaking from Hyderabad. So we had from today we are having lockdown.
Yeah.
That means on the roads no one will be there. Now, if I do walking in my own compound,
yeah,
should I wear mask? Because everything is closed, roads are closed, and my house is an independent house. In my compound, it's inside itself. If I do walking, should I wear mask? Because trees are there. I am going there because trees are there. I thought it is good that oxygen will come. So what is your suggestion?
So very good question which you have raised. Thank you, Kumar V. It is very, very useful and pertinent question. Yes, you have to go out for walking. You have to breathe in more oxygen. That is very, very useful. You can also wear a mask. Wearing a mask doesn't impede oxygen inflow. You can easily breathe through a mask. The reason why I'm advising you to wear a mask is because understand it is airborne. So social distancing of even 60 feet is of no use. This is there in the air. So kindly protect yourself and your family and others by wearing a mask, even inside your own house.
Thank you.
Good morning, doctor.
I hope I answered your question.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, doctor.
Yeah. Can we go by
one after the other? Please ask doctor question one after the other. So Balaji, you go ahead.
Yeah. One question, sir.
Yeah.
I live to Calcutta. My one question.
Yeah, Tulsi, tell me.
हाँ, आपको बताएगा जो वायरस को एयर फ्लो होता है
क्या एयर फ्लो
ये कोरोना वायरस एयर फ्लो मैंने आकाश मैंने हवा से उड़ेगी
हाँ एयरबॉर्न हुआ है हाँ एयर में फैल रहा है अभी तो इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ मास्क पहनना है मास्क पहनने से आपको कोविड नहीं लगेगा इसलिए जब आप अपार्टमेंट में हैं वो इंडोर स्प्रेड ज्यादा हो रहा है दैट्स व्हाई इट्स एडवाइजेबल दैट यू वेयर अ मास्क इंडोर्स especially in an apartment complex अगर आप अपार्टमेंट्स में हैं तो इंडोर स्प्रेड ज्यादा हो रहा है, घर के अंदर, अपार्टमेंट्स के अंदर बहुत स्प्रेड हो रहा है.
Yes, doctor. Good morning. I'm Balaji from Chennai.
Yeah,
I have
Balaji,
two
tell me.
questions to you.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'm audible now.
Yes, yes.
Sir, there are few instances where we come to know the patient who has taken a vaccine within 10 days of his period, if he gets symptoms and if they go to the testing, it seems to be it is coming positive, whether it is false positive or a reality. That is one question. Then second question is, there is a patient who has not got vaccinated, no symptom, suddenly oxygen drops out. Since nowadays everyone is having that pulse oximeter at home. Yesterday night around I received a call for oxygen bed. See, what has happened is this patient around 5:30, 6 o'clock got on without any symptoms. She is 59 years old and she tested and it was 37 for her saturation. Immediately she has been rushed to one of the multi-specialty hospital in Chennai. So when oxygen support was given, it has raised to 87. Then they said when they remove it, it comes down to 75. Then what's happening that now they want her to be shifted. The problem is she has not gone for a testing. Now we were not able to find with the hospitals. The problem is all COVID hospitals, they are not admitting them. So what is your opinion on this? Two questions they asked. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Balaji. Pretty relevant questions. Thank you for that. So for the first one, kindly understand people after vaccination, as I mentioned earlier, it is not going to reduce the infectivity. People will get infected with COVID even after vaccination. So people should wear a mask even after vaccination, because vaccination is only going to reduce the risk of getting a serious disease. It just reduces the chance of someone dying. People will die even after vaccination, but the amount of or the chance of someone dying or having a serious complication or requirement of oxygen will definitely reduce. People will be able to survive even after getting admitted. That's what we are seeing recent of late. People who have been vaccinated, we are able to save them much more easier. But that being said, you have to ensure that you get vaccination. You need to ensure that you are wearing a mask, and you have to ensure that you are following the same amount of responsibility as you are doing before getting vaccinated. For the second question, kindly understand, you need to, people, they will definitely have symptoms. They just that they would have ignored it. People definitely will have symptoms. There is no chance in any way. Yeah. So there's no chance that people with such a severe issue, they won't be asymptomatic. Definitely there will be some symptoms. They would have just ignored it. They would have had little bit of fever, little bit of sore throat, something or the other. And that person would be just resting and sitting in one place without moving around. If they are moving around, definitely the oxygen drop would be noted. So kindly ensure, if at all, as a rule, every single person, whoever is at home, ensure that you are walking around. When you are walking around, that's when you'll realize if you're actually getting breathless. If you're sitting in one place and testing, it will show it is fine. You will not feel breathless. Only when you're moving around, that's when you'll start feeling breathless. So what your friend had was something called as happy hypoxia. What is happy hypoxia? The oxygen saturation will be dropping, but the patient won't feel any breathlessness because the patient is sitting in one place. People will get the breathlessness after moving around. So that's why we advise, as doctors, we advise kindly test your oxygen saturation after moving around for 6 minutes. I hope I answered your question for that. And in relation to testing negative, unfortunately, RT-PCR is not, there is false negatives for almost 30% of patients who have been tested. So we have to go by the clinical features of how the patient is and not go by any standalone testing. I hope I answered your question, Balaji.
Yes, doctor. Thank you very much, doctor. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello, Dr.
Good
Shivaji.
morning.
Yeah, Madan Mohan, please.
Good morning.
Yes,
Good morning. I'm
Madan
from
Mohan.
Madan Mohan.
Nagaraj.
Yeah, Madan Mohan.
Can
Good morning, sir.
can we go to Madan Mohan?
Good morning.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Yeah, Madan Mohan, tell me.
I have two questions.
Sure.
The first question is, rather than the pandemic, these medias are taking too much of disadvantages. Why don't you at least address them? Not to ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ವೈಭವೀಕರಣ, ಅದನ್ನ ಡೆತ್ ನ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನ ವೈಭವೀಕರಣ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ದೆಮ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ and also please guide them to boost the morality of the people. This is the one first thing what I request from you, sir. And the second one, you people will not hear any government or anybody, but they will definitely hear you. What I request is warn even everyone, right from children till age old. Nowadays what is happening, people are of the version that only aged people will be infected, and those who are young and energetic, they feel that they will not be getting infected. So kindly, nowadays, you know, even younger generation is also dying. So please address them to be alert, to avoid. Now one of my friend was telling, no, earning man is dying. So that means what? People are neglecting themselves. Why don't you please guide them to be alert when they go out? Kindly, these are the two things what I request from you, sir.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
So Madan sir, definitely it was appropriate questions, and the main thing is, see, yeah, Tulsi, I'll finish Madan's question, then I'll take yours. Can you mute yourself, please? Yeah, Madan. So first, for your first question, media, definitely, if we quarantine ourselves from media, we will be fine. So quarantine, just turn off the news channels. Why are the news channels pushing so much of negativity? Unfortunately, people like to see negativity on the news. It's a human psychology, unfortunately. So unless we are watching the news channels, the news media will be pushing the same old thing. So it is up to us to boycott them. If we boycott them, there won't be anyone who will be sponsoring them. That is the main problem. It is not the media people. Why are they supplying all this negativity? So the only thing is we have to change accordingly. Number two, we have for the people. So people have, as I told, it's our social responsibility. So kindly, whoever is there, we have to have our own responsibility of educating people and telling people and correcting people and telling, kindly ensure that you wear a mask. You are not Superman. Even Superman can get infected. Even lions of all things are getting infected. So the king of the jungle is only getting infected. So who are we? We are just normal human beings. So when the king of the jungle is getting infected, no one else is safe. Even the MLAs are getting infected. The MLAs' wives are getting, relatives are getting infected. State CM, our own CM, Yediyurappa got infected 2 times. Our ex-CM, HDK also got infected 2 times. So kindly tell everyone, we are not human beings. Even the top leaders are getting infected. You are no different than anyone. Kindly wear a mask. Kindly ensure that you are safe. That way, you will be fine. It's just our responsibility to educate others. We can't expect anyone else to educate us, unfortunately. I hope I answered your question.
Sir, Namaskara. Nagaraj from Bangalore.
Nagaraj sir, ಹೇಳಿ.
ಈಗ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಸಿಟಿಜನ್ಸ್ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೋಸು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅದೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇದು ಫುಲ್ ಫ್ಲೆಜ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೋದು ತಪ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೋದನ್ನ ತಪ್ಪಿಸ್ತದೆ. RT-PCR ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಟ್. ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಯೋದು ತಪ್ತದೆ, ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ತಪ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಕೊಟ್ರು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಸಾಯೋದ್ರಿಂದ ತಪ್ಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆದ್ರೂ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ತಗೊಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಡ್, ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ವೆರಿ 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 ಎಸೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್. ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಓಡಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗಡೆನೂ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎಲ್ರು ಇದು ವೈರಸ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮನೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ. ಸೊ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಬಂದಾಗ, ಕೆಲ್ಸದವ್ರು ಬಂದಾಗ, ಯಾರಾದ್ರು ಬಂದಾಗ, ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಬಂದಾಗ, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಾಗ, ನಿಮ್ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಾದ್ರು ಬಂದಾಗ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮನೇಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Unfortunately, no one is emphasizing on the fact that we have to wear masks indoor. Everyone is emphasizing on the masks. People have to wear masks outdoor. That has to be drilled down, and people have to understand that part. Nagaraj, I hope ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ.
Sir, can I have a chance to? Can you just give me a chance to put some questions?
Sure, sir. Ready, sir.
Is it my turn now? Or some Tulsi?
Yes, yes.
Some Tulsi. You complete Tulsi. He is in the queue, no?
Yeah. Tulsi,
Yeah.
you can unmute yourself. Tulsi, yeah. पूछिए जो भी पूछना चाहते थे.
One question.
Yeah.
First child symptom क्या है?
फर्स्ट टाइम का सिम्टम जो भी होता है वो थकान होता है, बुखार हो सकता है, नाक से स्मेल नहीं आ सकता है, सूंघ नहीं सकते हैं, और क्या बोलते हैं, सरदर्द हो सकता है, रैश हो सकता है. I don't know what is rash called in Hindi. If anyone can help me out with that. और आंखों का रेडनेस हो सकता है. ये सब कुछ फर्स्ट सिम्टम हो सकता है. ये मुमकिन नहीं है कि हर एक को सेम सिम्टम हो सकता है, हर एक का डिफरेंट सिम्टम हो सकता है. तो काइंडली ये डॉक्टर का सलाह लेना पड़ेगा. जो कुछ भी हुआ डॉक्टर का सलाह लेना पड़ेगा. अगर आपको इफ यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग दैट यू आर नॉट ओके, अगर आपको महसूस होता है कि आप नॉर्मल नहीं है, तो kindly talk to a doctor.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Prasad sir, you can ask.
Shivajirama Bhosle.
Okay. Hello, who is that?
Yeah, sir, you can go ahead.
Yeah.
Shivaji Rao.
Shivaji Rao. I'll come in the next turn. Okay.
Thank you, Reddy ji.
Carry on, sir.
Shivaji.
My question, two questions.
Yeah.
My question, two questions. One question is, how we are predicting that next move will, third move will be for children? How they are predicting this, doctor?
See, kindly understand that already children are being affected in the second wave. Forget third wave. We really don't know how long this second wave is going to last and how bad this second wave is going to be. So don't think about the third wave. Just focus on the second wave. Let's get through the second wave. And as citizens of the world, forget India, of the world, of this earth, human beings on this earth, let us be socially responsible. Let us just wear a mask and not just save ourselves, but also save our future generations. Shivaji Rao. Okay. I think he has some
Shivaji
bandwidth
Rao,
issue.
You're there in the.
Okay.
Anyone online for questions? I have a.
You
Can
can
I,
ask,
doctor?
sir. Yeah.
Sir. I'm
Go
Alex
ahead.
from Chennai. Sir, as such, you also might be seeing in the groups and all, everyone is particular about remdesivir injection and tocilizumab, people are trying. So as such, this antiviral and anti-immunosuppressant, these are the two drugs which is being talked about. And most of the doctors, they themselves all come in the TV panels and all, they say that it's not so important, that it is not a life-saving drug. That is one part. So whether as such, I came to know that that immunosuppressant tocilizumab is being used for a patient post-ventilator.